Hi everyone, welcome to Key2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can lazy load YouTube videos in your WordPress website. So as you can see, I have added a video in this page, and if I check the page in page speed inside, I am getting just 16 score. So if I scroll down and search for this option, reduce the impact of third-party code, and here as you can see that the YouTube is taking around 795 KB. So if I check the total page size, it is around 920 KB, and out of 920 YouTube is taking 795 KB, so which is huge. So you should lazy load your YouTube videos to improve your blog loading speed. So I will discuss how you can lazy load YouTube videos in WordPress. So let's go to the dashboard and check how you can do that. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So you have couple of options. So if you are using Elementor, then you can enable lazy load in that customizer, and if you are using Gutenberg, then you can use plugins like Lightspeed Cache, WP Rocket, or a dedicated plugin that comes for lazy loading. So let me just show you. So I will go to plugins here and I will click on add new here, and I can simply search for lazy load video, and here you will see a plugin like this, lazy load videos, or you can get a plugin like lazy load plugin, lazy load images, videos, and iframe from WP Rocket. So you can use any of this plugin here. So we are going to use the WP Rocket plugin here. So let's install this. Now let's activate this plugin. Okay, now let's click on the settings here, and here you will see this option, images, iframe, or videos. So let's select the iframe and videos here, and we will replace the YouTube video by thumbnail. So if someone click on the thumbnail, then only the YouTube video will load. So let's click on save changes here. Now let's go to the page first. Let's click on here, and as you can see that if I click on this thumbnail, then only it will load the entire video. So now again check the page speed. So I will copy the URL here, and let me just open it in a new tab, and let's paste the URL and let's analyze it again. So it will take some time, so let's wait. And as you can see that our page speed has improved significantly from 16 to 98 just by lazy loading that video. And if I scroll down, the page size is around 88 KB only. So that's a huge improvement. So you can use this free plugin from WP Rocket, or if you are using the full version of WP Rocket, then you can also enable the lazy loading functionality. And if you are using Lightspeed Cache, you can also do that. So let me just show you in that plugin also, and I will click on add new here, and I will search for Lightspeed. Let's install this plugin. Let's activate this plugin. Alright, let's go to the Lightspeed Cache settings here, and here you need to click on the page optimization here, and here you need to select this option media settings, and here you can see that lazy load images, and here you will get this option lazy load iframes. You can turn on this and click on save changes. So either you can use Lightspeed Cache, or you can use the dedicated plugin from WP Rocket, or the paid plugin from WP Rocket, or you can use Pop Matters plugin, or you can use any other plugin to lazy load YouTube videos. So there are varieties of options you can choose from. So I hope you got the idea how to lazy load YouTube videos in WordPress. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.